Alright, so medical action and still that's all Bantama Assemblies of God. 50 good years of a year, and Stopoku Junior. Any papa baby a bass, Papa Apostle Don Pra, or a soft penina or a Ghana movie, and I said Kuma Wood. Don't want to friend Ojasho, Papa Mwapava. Bibia Wapodia. And now Wabeja Unia Ketua, I was down for. Sign out in Medi. Say I'm any munyam esane e wo bia eh e bani kan ni pa don mo aso company ko ni ade a umnyira ba e ba betai du say e come ba it's then our culture and musicians no and gospel artists you I want to say years in music. It will be a second power. Also, talk was a rabbit. All right, I know something. Let me show the great apostle of Father Brown. I'm a pampa for your woman. Let me show I have Bantama Assemblies of God. I have Bantama branch. I go so and as a Poku Junior, 50 years anniversary, and a Gusua and a man for Chinko. Hold on, I'm in Taxi Apostle, or I say, catch you later. Head of stars, I saw for Baby PM, a movie actress and actresses, and to Baby Vivian J. Lawrence, ABPM, or Jumede Yase, Papa, and then I do PM or Bantama Assemblies of God. And they said, okay, and Stopoku don't in a demia, and they obey Jumede and sign out for Huno. Me who say I dear be a mensa woman, yana yakesi. Many are too much. Too much. And then I'll be catching a dofo and no more beja Ernest. First of all, the mechanism that Obiase, Yakupo Insha Obiase, Ernest tuning suffer or mobile. You will be Ernest and friend, but Ernest who don't. Ejumano enyoma bebre ne wom enti se wonya ye ho do na o kire dosa na we se Yakopon na akwa to shirawo ti Ernest da obi ase na me sure say ye frɛ o ma on kwa me no twetwe na oba we ye oba bi a o me wi ase nyina me do no ono a wonim me sha mo monka ye so nwa me na me nika pre ye oba wa me papa medwe ho e bi a ye 2024 ho no medwe ho me na asra nya me sha if you go me atwam 2024 na medwe no me nika pre. Still now, that's what Assemblies of God NS program. You say, menya the one and only finest DJ and I say engineer. JD or no so of your KD of ya. What I said, didn't done DJ and KD. We are the Deban Kokoba in our proper format. We will go we will go. We know Makwaba. Yeah, so I need to program. Maybe I was a camera. And best engineers are more Kumasa, Mati, and Mammy will say yes, and yet in crime from Kwana say, Ghana gospel music. Monso sono moya mo part. Yankupo Shamu, and they didn't have a catcher one Casawunia and it's Wadanfo. Jumedia Abba Munina Mokau in my recording and they were doing pimpers or dream. And now the 15 years anniversary, and then I will catch your mom by anyone Casawunia Ernest.
In program, I think it's one of the biggest program ever. Gospel musicians, yeah, it was support the Bridima and the book right from recording to production to baby. So, but the ever catching in and say, Oman the GDA and Yamasumede and Koso. So they see him and the book, NSD. I think that Ghana mine any yeah, and a month for so and I say, Nipadona, the Odo Abeding, have a board room, I'm young. The Ecos was for what I would say is I'm sure Ernest. What he has done in the gospel industry, Ghana. I'm sure
I'm in the show or say, bro, forecast what I would say in the same coupon Shrano. It will find out what to your people and will be best of recorded and your money at their location, wherever. Yeah, my location right now, your beer studio, no casino, I won't cry, our crowd. Okay. And Kumasi and or Tramodem, or Promising Stars, which is Bremine. Yeah, I will look at your crowd. We say, obey Juma. Yeah, they get near 0245 1010 93. Yeah, into your bar anytime. Reduction, everything. Yeah, promo bar. Oba, yeah. Friend, I can say me Kumasi programming and fan number na. We wait my toast over 7 million. And I'm one. Yeah. Jose,
me am a set up guitar class and shim. Eda chinipa.
Also be sa bo guitar sa oyense na nti. Eh rade adwuma nyi adwuma no hu sa hu je bi o jack. Pressure nko me hu se mi si bo no. Me ne engineer finest na twetwe nkomo no me Ernest Omame. Sebi ebru sebi son de o chimenist Opoku. Ewu no ba wiase e Ghana. Ya tene so aba yenya ne so mfa so menya Omame na nkasa wa ha yenko ne Omame twetwe nkomo na afei ene dwumadie no sign na Nyankopon e de aba sign na all expecting sign na dwumade ne se akoma me na te sign bibi akoso kama pa nice one ene oba anniversary 50 years ene wo ase yi obi beka se enye easy sign na oba ne starting nyum to no sign na esiti achemu kakrama
me pa chewo me benes na nkasa no menyem no ena nyame difo bi hye me nkom ampa de sofo ne kan ye so ebe mu onya 2 years no start ye ensenkyerene
onya 2 years
ai oba me dem a konkwa he ba ye nya beba na bigu me dem o tutuo no de aye mic na wo tonyom
wow
grow from atomic ya na Afro Colombia ho na me wo no
okay
sheni ewi ahwa na me wo no entintem wo fo nyina edra nyima mema no wasesa wo mu nyina begu ye mpoma na chi wasamom ye nya asore wo dididi ma na ja san kom shena sofo ne ka kire me se mi be woni pakesie bi na ni din be china fa bi asafa na nyina enti eno na erade kan ye no abemu no
wow eno na erade kan na abemu no yeguso ane eye Ernest Maame na twetwe nkomo musa maame nsem yonu miensa bi maame oba no onyini ye na okọ school no o na age se obejai enwom to no ana obejai school no akoye enwom to e na wote ase ana se wante ase
me pa chaw me ankasa me gina he me ame wo Ernest me ankasa me onyame de adoma chede ama me to nyom enti enam nyom to no so me mani nyina ya nyom tofo
wow
ne Ernest nko enti enam so ama me nana mu nyina so ya nyom tofo enti achede no onyame de cheme na urade de awura mememu abesi sabre
do say na etonyom
me mano me ensa
ana etonyom
Ernest ka ho me ensa
Ernest ka ho me ensa
achai
wow enti sa uko program say na wo mani nyina wo ho na wo moto tonyom ya sign ya na ho sie o
Pacho me mano do de na se chi no ni ha wa monone me ka chire de wo wa ha ene wo tia na na chi kakra no so tonyo
ene adofo aba utwe woni anipa egua edoso chese dem ha boma enipa no akire so eden na wo ka che Nyankopon ne adofo ene wo beja wo ne oba
ede awrade ase onyame na onyame ye ne dia esanse wo na ekura Ernest efri emretinti nyina kukuhwi ase nyina bepem sabre ye ne ye nyina ye sori awrade ne de anum onyama ete ase ama onyame te ase fo no me de awrade ase de tosum ye me da do fo nyina ase samompai bo ene madoye ene se de ahofama mo de afa ne dai mo de abeka ne se ho aye nyina ye bomo eye awrade aye e de awrade ase me da do fo nyina so ase
ara Ernest eye Opoku maame na wote ne nka no maame na de abrante aye kana asem ya na wo ye program na nyina wase ye ba wiase baka no asem bebre na mbese mbusa na asem ba akopɛ ba sa asem no de meja busa because say the maame no hu se fene ne stand for maame ho fe oni mbe kopɛ o he program oni mbe kopɛ o se le papa o maame o ba bia maame de afa waka bia ma no nice no maame da asbebre why
so me da mase
alright and director ba ko enso wa ha Obed oye anase snazzy with my friend snazzy and I said was ya first suit no me donyame say no be direct sini wa ha dia so be effect so Obed net say
boko papa
na ene dia na do be piem wa
oh ene de ye nua be ma ye ya de nyina Ernest Opoku Junior e launch na internet ba be piem e wa ase na unze ejuma no movie and music intini na media enti say your brother media ni ye launch na mint na fia na se mint na ma sorry na menhwe say bia manfo mra ewiasefo mra wa bra ye wo nyamimu no ye betina fia nti na me bae
wow now by sign we say program no
oh makọ luncheon Accra Kumasi any ade Cape Coast Accra makọ luncheon but luncheon we no different in fact enwosa na ye nua be ma no de ye adwuma no me hu bi da wo hwe testimonies amanfo testify ye maame Cecilia ma for kraka say enwosa na e wo ablante ne so no too much.
Wow, too much. In any way, no, are you planning to say the Bible gospel ana?
Oh, me no, and me dream for now and say be a metal gospel. But one thing I've realized about my talent is say metronom. Apart from film directing, any editing, no crano, me metronom. In my production, me try to manage some artists. Be me the artists be but recently, it will be who know.
Wow, the artist be by recently. That time I'm gonna manage me to gospel album management.
Oh, say me your track and that's a me criteria. I didn't tell me produce you. I didn't tell me manage you.
All right, me that's. Now me shall pass it for by. Somebody got you. We still inside Bantama Assemblies of God, and then 50 years anniversary of our junior brother, and next Opoku Junior. Now Papa Ojamin chain. Move to the Basi mess, baby, Basi miss why wine. Basi miss on one and original. Ubeji say, Ernest first song or the hit here. I have Basi na man hit here. About you guys a mapama. Yeah. Bibi abako there.
Radar Mboko.
And then I could buy at the first say. And then I will catch a gun and money be as mine.
The makers again money as mine say. Radar Mama Match there. And that's 15 years ago. I know between the prayer me some recording. And I'm recording the first album. I'm a yes man, you know. Mother Crow and me down, and I'm recording to me. I'm saying, I'm a Madumacha, Medianum. Emma Adasa. Let me show.
Basi ya hena sese obi show obehu e the whole Ghana.
Sese mo Kumasi. Mo kwa onye du Kumasi new plan station. Ada Kumasi baby a obi a kasa we have bus. We have it.
But is there a number you bet me after us so best obey no more?
Yeah, my number is 0244 46 14 45. Yeah, so let me repeat here.
Sorry, repeat, mommy.
0244 46 14 45. Yeah,
Basi and I'm telling Kano. You go so ofia. Basi and then I will catch Ernest and then the fans and ombe pie mo.
I dey make an answer media that in fact me akwamba ha no. Many aji ama me rasa ho. I tell say akwasi ba me nchen no Ernest said obi our friend me friend akwasi. Oba me nchen no onyo obi a no obi anim no. Tene me nipa dom egu ho a. Na je say Erade ayebi. Ti dey make an answer do fo mo ba nyina no. Erade enshro mo. O kakra anu simple a obi a be yibia no. Erade enshro mo no. Better massive.
Yo, yeah, that's a Basi and the church. Come on, you go so high. NS program, you say Obantama, and then you pay about how much you grow. You go so high, squad of Yao, and I'm pay better. Mamma, when you get some apples to Choma. About you, let's say, I don't know, so Bibi was a come and they didn't know.
In fact, Yenya and the Sopoku, Yenya never support any ministry now, okay. In fact, my anniversary is but too much. In fact, too much.
Wow.
And it's too much. Because Erade and Namen so Yenema Bibri on the Num Tomb. Now, a Num Tonos no, I mean, him say, Biana, a word children only in your but you quite children who say, remember, Nipa Band, Dona, Ayarasa, Ebinia, Nema Bibri, woman, at the end of the day, no, Erade Gusia then. Esra nipa dodo no enam edumadia enam Ernest Opoku eden e de baasa asasisu.
All right, you better was bebre nyankopon sha.
All right.
Abrante age na mechi hwe atade e hye na Ernest Opoku 15 years anniversary. Abrante, and now bodyguard program na na say now bodyguard Ernest and say me am gina na bodyguard me.
Me bodyguard obi a program na Ernest o mo mba ye bo mo ban say de be obi hu ntechema. No nka say me buy Ernest program na me pray na me na mu bu ye. Enuti na uhu ye wa ha no.
Nice one. Enti mama program no e koso ye de.
Nyankopon adum bibia da din obi empry obi a won teach ma program na da so e koso aye sorry Nyankopon. NS 15 years anniversary. Ti e sro obi a so comporting itself say de be a me free plan amane emfa metu ye so.
O kwa sorry.
Me kwa sorry.
Ewe.
Me kwa Christ the righteous.
Sir. Say o si jam je wasi we that one kwa sorry o.
Me kwa sorry pa me instrumentalist.
We instrumentalist.
Me bought drums.
Me bought drums. Bia on say o si busi ten na body. No kwa sorry at fie. Na ho nya fe na kwa sorry say. I'm go inside.